children, how are you? Very fine? Very good. All of you open your workbook. English workbook page number 45. Open your English workbook page number 45. English workbook page number 45. Amma, I gave some of the degrees of adjectives. Some of I gave no. Up to beautiful I gave. I am giving now heavy. Amma, heavier is given no. Heavier. Heavier is the comparative degree. Heavy is the passive degree. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Complete. Light. Light is the passive degree. Light, lighter, lightest. Lightest. Light, lighter, lightest. Oldest. Oldest is given. Older, 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 oldest, older, older, oldest. Good, good, better, best. Good, better, best. Better is the comparative degree, best is the superlative degree. Next, far, far, farther, farthest, far, farther, farthest, far, farther, farthest. Next, slower is given. Slow, slower, slowest. Slow, slower, slowest. Next, taller is given now. Tall, tall is a passive degree. Taller is the comparative degree. Tallest is the superlative degree. Completed answers. Tall, taller, tallest. Next, thinnest is given. Thinnest, thin, thinner, thinnest, thin, thinner, thinnest. Next, able is given. Able, abler, ablest. Able, abler, ablest. Mightier is given. Mightier, might, mighter, mightest. Mightest. Friendly, 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 passive form, friendlier. Friendlier is the comparative degree. Friendliest is the superlative degree. Friendly, friendlier, friendliest. Complete your answers. Complete. Take next page. Completed no? I'm rubbing. Next. Take next page. Rewrite the sentences below to make the adjective work as adverbs. One is done for you. Amma, we had to change the adjectives into adverbs. Example, Anna. Mani is careful driver. Mani drives carefully. Carefully is the adverb. Carefully is the adverb. Okay? We have to change the sentences by using adverb. First one is completed now. Second one. My cousin's dog is ferocious glower. My cousin's, here underline ferocious is the adjective. Ferocious is the adjective. Underline that. We have to change the adjective into adverb. Ferocious, ferociously is the adverb. Right. My cousin's dog growls ferociously. My cousin's dog growls ferociously. Ferociously is the adverb. She is efficient at cooking new dishes. Efficient. Underline efficient. That is the adjective. Efficiently is the adverb. We had to change the sentence now. She cooks new dishes. She cooks new dishes ferociously. Sorry. Efficiently. She cooks new dishes efficiently. Next. Vena's aunt has a loud laugher. She laughs loudly. We have to write here. Laugher loudly. Underline the loud. Loud is the adjective. Underline loud. Loud is an adjective. Now we have to change into adverb. Loudly is the adverb. Vena's aunt has laughed loudly. Has laughed loudly. Karna is a generous giver. Generous is the adjective. Generous means very kind. Generous means very, very kind. Underline generous. If anybody will ask anything, he will give. They are called generous. Generous antaru. Generous is adjective. Generously is the adverb. Karna. Who is generous? Karna. Do you know Karna? Story in Sri Krishna. Karnudu. Karna gives generously. Generously. He gave water, maybe they ask. Soumya and Savita are responsible workers. Responsible is the adjective. Underline that. Responsible. Adverb is responsibly. Soumya and Savita. Soumya and Savita work responsibly. The huge black bear is angry hunter. Angry hunter. The huge black bear is an hungry hunter. Angry hunter. Angry underline. Angry is the adjective. Angrily is the adverb. The huge black bear. The huge black bear hunts angrily. Angrily. Underline. Angrily. Amma angry underline. Angry is the adjective. Angrily is the adverb. Angrily. Next. The waitress is a patient server. Amma, waitress is a patient. He has a patience. Patient is the adjective. Patiently is the adverb. The waitress serves patiently. Patiently. Patiently means patiency. Sorry, patiently. Next, last one. Mrs. Bhuvana is an effective teacher. Effective is the adjective. Effectively is the adverb. Mrs. Bhuvana. Miss Bhuvana teaches effectively. Miss Bhuvana teaches effectively. Miss Bhuvana teaches effectively. These are the adverbs. Effect is the adjective. Effectively is the adverb. Adverbs will describe about the verb. Here see Nana. Bhuvana teaches effectively. Effectively describe about the teaching, about her teaching. Means about the verb. So this is the adjective, adverb. This is the adverb. In the sentence see Nana. Mrs. Bhuvana is an effective teacher. Effective is described about Bhuvana. Effective described about the Bhuvana. So that is the adjective. Here effectively described about her teaching. Means about her verb. So it is the adverb. See Nana, my cousin's dog is ferocious glower. Means ferocious. Louder. Ferocious means louder. Having a louder voice. Ferocious is telling about her dog. Here, my cousin's dog growls ferociously. This ferociously is telling about her growling. The cry is telling about ferociously is telling about her cry. So that is the adverb. Adverbs will tell about the quality of the verb. Adjectives will tell about the quality of a noun. Okay. Next. Take next please. Next, choose the correct word. He could dash work after the accident. He could work hard or hardly. He could work hard. Hard only. Not hardly. He could work hard. Sorry, he could work hardly. I'm sorry, Nana. Work hardly. Adverb only. Hardly. Because, Amma, he could work hardly. He hardly is describing about her work. About his work. Means verb. So, we have to write the adverb. Adverb is hardly. Next one. My book is dash finished. My book is nearly finished. It is also telling about the finishing. Finishing kudi cheptundi kabatti adverb use cheyali. Adverb is nearly. She is too dash short. Short is describing about the her. Her means noun. So we have to use short. Pick to short. I booked 2 tickets for the dash show. For the late show. The show is late. Late show. Next. I will let you know my decision. I will let you know my decision. Decision. Short or shortly?
Shortly.
Shortly. Shortly. This problem is too dash for me. You know, you need to say the word hard. This problem is hard. I live dash the supermarket. I live near. I live near to the supermarket. Near. He has been very sick.
Lately.
Sick lately. Okay? Take next page. Next. Amma, here fill in the correct form of adjective or adverb. Okay? The drama had a dash ending. The drama has a happy ending. Happy only write down. He will get home short or shortly? Shortly. He will go to home shortly. Means he uses short ways to come to his home. Careful. I hope he drives carefully. He drives carefully. He described the accident dash. Describe the accident dramatically. అంటే కళ్ళ కట్టినట్టుగా కళ్ళకు ఇక్కడే మన ముందు జరుగుతుందనేమో అన్నట్టుగా చూపించాడు. డ్రామాటికల్లీ. Dramatically. We dash study for the test. We hardly studied for the test. Arjun ran dash in the competition. Ran fast. Fast is adjective and adverb. Both are same. He finished climbing mountain easily. The plane flew dash to Mumbai. Directly to Mumbai. Directly. Our workbook volume 1 is completed. Totally completed, Nana. Workbook volume 1. What you have to do? You have to complete your workbook update. And volume 1 workbook complete అయిపోయింది కదా. You have to finish that. If you have any incompletes, complete that. Okay. Next, take your activity book. Take your activity book, page number 36. Take your activity book, page number 36. Amma, fill in the blanks with the help of the picture clues. Here, picture clues here. are given. You must fill in the blanks with the given picture clues. What is this tree? What is this sun? What is this sky? Like that. Write the names of the given pictures and try to understand the story. Okay, already I said the story now. What you have to do? You have to complete the blanks by seeing the picture. Picture choosing, picture name akkada rayandi. Okay, it's completed. Next, second bit. Observe the given pictures carefully. Form a sentences for each picture and make the sentences more meaningful by adding some adjectives. You have to use more adjectives. Nana, I will say one thing. Here, describe some of the adjectives about the blackboard. And blackboard means కొన్ని words చెప్పండి. What do you say about blackboard? This is smooth. You can say like this. Say one sentence about the blackboard by using more adjectives. More adjectives. Here, this is black is one adjective. Smooth is also one more adjective. And fuse board. Fuse board. I described about the blackboard. How? It is black, smooth and fuse board. Black is one adjective, smooth is one more adjective and fuse is also one more adjective. 3 adjectives I wrote there. Describe about the book. Book gurinchi rayandi. I like English. I like a beautiful. Otherwise, you must say about your dress. Say about your dress. You must say about your dress. I wore pink, beautiful, pink, beautiful, and long, pink, beautiful, describe about your dress. I wore pink, beautiful, gold color, gold pattern dress. I wore pink. Pink is one adjective, beautiful is one adjective, gold is one more adjective. I wore pink, beautiful, gold pattern dress. Okay, like that we have to describe about the given pictures. The pictures are given now by using different adjectives. Here, the bird has big, brown, strong wings. Big is one adjective, brown is one more adjective, and strong is also one more adjective. 3 adjectives are used there. Will you write about these pictures? Will you use some of the adjectives? Will you use? Okay, I am writing. Hulk is bigger, scary, and a strong man. Strong creature, learn. Strong creature. Strong creature. Stronger creature. big, scary and strong creature. About the mirror. This beautiful, here, bigger, scary and strong. These three are the adjectives. Okay? This beautiful is the adjective. Gold is the adjective. Gold planted. Mirror. Mirror is expensive. Here, beautiful and gold is both are the adjectives. About the corn, I ate a juicy. I ate a juicy steak and delicious corn. Delicious corn. Juicy and delicious corn. I ate a juicy and delicious corn. Next, he is a dancer. He is graceful, stylish and best dancer. Best dancer. Impressed me. Graceful, stylish and best. These three are the adjectives. Next, about the house. I want to build a beautiful, model, comfortable house to live. Beautiful, modern and comfortable. These three are the adjectives. Next, take next page. Complete your answers now. Next, next. Take next space. Underline the adjectives in each sentence and fill in the blanks with the subsequent adverb. Wonderful, wonderfully. Wonderful is the adjective form. Wonderful is the adverb form. Here also I will say the adjective. You must write the adverb form. Quite. Write the adverb. Quite, underline quite. First sentence. Second sentence, good. Third sentence, fluent. Page number 38. Fourth one, careful. Fifth one, angry. Sixth one, nervous. Seventh one, lucky. lucky. Eighth one, tragic. These are the adjectives. You must write the adverbs. You must write the adverbs. Take the help of your course. Take the help of your course book. Already I gave the adverb forms to you now. Take that. And next, fill up the opposites of the underlined adjectives. One is done for you. Clean, opposite is dirty. Busy, opposite is idle. Busy, opposite is idle. Excited, opposite is depressed. Depressed. Dark, opposite is bright. Opposites of the adjectives. Next, busy opposite idle, excited opposite is depressed, dark opposite bright, enormous opposite is tiny. Enormous opposite is tiny. Dangerous opposite is safe. Heavy opposite is lighter. Heavy opposite is lighter. And cold opposite is hotter. Intelligent opposite is stupid. Intelligent opposite is stupid. Complete those answers and take next page. Adverbs are there. Find out the adverbs in the griddle and write here. Tomorrow is one of the adverb. Find out the adverbs in the given griddle and complete it. Here also complete the. Here also find out the adverb or adjective which is suitable to complete the statement. You must complete this. Okay? To our workbook and activity book, all are completed. Totally volume 1 is completed. English volume 1 is completed. Okay? Update your notes. This class is completed. Bye.